i35equipment.com. There's a Hitachi Zaxis 210 LC-6 hydraulic track excavator. Welcome you to come look at this machine for yourself. You can bring your mechanic and operator, or hire someone who wants to come to you if you like. We are open by appointment only, though, so just give us a call, get on the calendar. Phone number here is 405-833-6437. It's a nice big machine with lots of power. It does have that hydraulic thumb on it. Great for loading boulders, sorting scrap, pulling trees, and just about anything else when you think about pulling, moving, or grabbing. It does have the big tag bucket on it. The machine has lots of power, like we said, so if you need to take it out on the farm to get your digging done or out to the job site, it won't disappoint. It's equipped with that Zuzu diesel motor. It says it has safety rails on it, full glass. Has not only a rear view camera, but it has rear view plus both side view cameras. So you got 3 different views of camera going, so you see all around you. That's a nice feature to have. Track calling quote, we send equipment all over the country, so there's some solution to use you. Fill out a form on our website, call, text, or email with your full delivery address. So the address of the roll callers and nationwide broker, get back to the best rate to come back to us. We do welcome you to arrange for your own hauling or come pick it up for yourself if you're so equipped. Of course, our specialty here is consignment sales, so if you or someone you know has idle heavy equipment, give us a call to get on the calendar, give us a call to learn more about our consignment sales service, or you can fill out that form on our website. Again, that's www.i35equipment.com. That is a nice big tag bucket. However, if you need a different size for a different application, we do have both new and used buckets available. See our full and up-to-date inventory of buckets and attachments online at www.i35equipment.com. Does have dual travel speeds, so if you need to get across the pasture or the job site a little quicker, just kick it up a notch. It's always a nice feature. Working horn, as you can hear. Alright, let's take a look at everything, then we'll hop up in the operator station. I'll ask us to look around inside there. 6 teeth on this bucket. And that hydraulic thumb does have the serrated edges on it there to help give you a better grip. It's also a solid thumb. That means it's all one piece up through here. Nice, big, expensive, heavy-duty hydraulic thumb. That is a 48-inch bucket, by the way. I don't think I mentioned that earlier. If you're not familiar with Hitachi, most folks already know, but you're pretty much just looking at an orange John Deere. That's right. It's going to be just about same as John Deere of this year make. Visible blow by. Camera guard right there. Camera on the back, and other camera, as they're calling, is right here underneath that little cover. Make our way around. there. Everything in here. Hitachi factory seat. Air suspension. Does have a foot pedal operation there. Here's your views of your camera. Kind of hard to see here. So your rear view camera. I was saying only a 54, just about 58 hours, 458. Go ahead and hop up in here. Shut this, keep some of this cold air in here today. Foot pedal operation for your hydraulic knob. I'm not real familiar with this, but yeah, okay. Just hit this button, it's going to move around, show you the different views. Left side, right side, or just single side there. And then your rear view camera's right there. I know it may be hard to see. In real life it's not. It's just challenging to film with the digital screen. Okay, here's all your controls for your HVAC, your throttle, dual speed, work lights. Where you can put your ignition code in. There's your control pattern for this machine. And then you've also got your camera beacon light, travel alarm, seat heater. We have not tested that out as it's pretty warm out today. Appreciate taking time to watch. You can always see our full and up-to-date inventory online at